I'm running way over time, so I want to wrap up quickly. We're moving on to this testing solutions phase, which is the focus of the next 12 months. And what we're going to do is take those models that I've just described and test some solutions in it. And we've got 3 areas that we've identified that have been identified as high priority for injured workers and that we're able to model in those computational models. The first one is the collection and use of medical information, which I've talked a bit about already. So that's about the role of GPs and how independent medical examinations are used. Second one is about information provision and communication during the claim. And the third one is about financial support for workers and their families, as being the top 3 areas of solutions that we're going to test over the next 6 months. And we're going to do this. This is an example of what workers have told us about collection and use of medical information. What they're saying is that they want more emphasis placed on treating doctors' reports during a claim assessment, that an option would be for us to allow GPs to determine the duration of incapacity for work, a bit like what occurs in Queensland as I understand it, rather than requiring a certificate of capacity every 2 weeks or 4 weeks, allowing that to be a decision that's made based on the GP's medical expertise and understanding of the worker's circumstance, to reduce the use of independent medical examinations, or if they can't be reduced, to make sure that they're conducted in a fairer way, a more transparent way, such as always providing workers and their treating practitioners with reports from IMEs. And there's other examples provided here as well, but these are some of the things we're going to try to test in our new models. Now, we're going to do this by first of all running some workshops where we will develop a list of discrete solutions to those challenges. We aim to have 5 to 10 different solutions for each one of those things. And then to put those in what we call preference surveys, where we use a method called best-worst scaling to identify the preferred solutions for a large group of workers, hoping to get hundreds enrolled in those surveys. And then once we've identified the preferred solutions, we'll pop them into those models, apply them, test them, and see what impacts they have on things like claim duration, mental health, physical health, claim costs, time to make decisions, all of those other sorts of things that we can soon test in our models.